myself.
Oh, Rob, it's beautiful.
And functional.
When did I last tell you I love you?
About 30 seconds ago in the driveway.
Then you're overdue. I love you.
And I love you back.
There, Robbie. You hungry?
Quite a set of pipes on that one.
Yeah. He sounds just like...
The master. He sounds just like the master did when he was little.
Attention, shoppers! Blanket pulls out a manic depressive downslide.
Rob, pop a bottle in the microwave, will ya?
Hear that, fellas? In the house 10 seconds, and who does she need? Some old windbag? A dim bulb by which to read Dr. Spock? A piece of singed white bread? Please, a blast from the past? A quick cuddle? No, siree. She doesn't need any of you. What she needs is a hot one, and no waiting.
Not unless you call a big black mass of nothing something.